Good evening, friends. Today I will start with the sum that I have given. I will show you the solution. You just see whether you have practiced and it is correct or not. So, as you know, this is two digit is given. The first digit, first number having three digit. Second number is three digit. So the number of segment would be 3 plus 3 minus 1, that is 5. So this is the first part of the sum. So later I'll start with the first number where the first digit is 1, so there will be one line. For the second digit is 2, so keeping some distance I will draw two more parallel lines, and for the last digit it is 3, keeping some again some distance I will draw 3 parallel lines in close vicinity. So the first part is over. So 1 2 3 1 2 and 3. Okay, for the second number there is all digits are same 1 1 1. So I will draw 3 lines keeping some distance apart. So now you just see how I draw the segments. So for the first segment it is first segment, second it will be second segment, third it will be third segment, fourth it will be fourth segment, and last one is fifth segment. So you can understand how I drawing, and similarly you can practice at home. So now just time for the count. So first you see that this first segment having one only cut point 1, second 1 2 3 3 cut points, third 1 2 3 4 5 6 cut points, and this one 1 2 3 4 5 cut points, and the last one is 1 2 3. So this is the result for 1 2 3 1 1 1. Let me show you the convention method whether the result is matching or not. Okay, so this conventional method is known to everybody. Just I am showing 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2 1. Now add up 3 5 6 3 and 1. You see the result is matching. So it is a proven method. It is a Japanese method. This is the first sum. Now come to the next sum. The next sum was 111 cross 222. Okay, so again this is first three line will be three parallel line some distance apart. For this two parallel lines with close vicinity and a part apart, means a distant apart. That three pair will come like that. Now it's a time for this having also 5 segment, 3 plus 3 3 plus 3 minus 1 is 5. So you can divide in segments. This is first segment, this is your second segment, this is your fourth, this is fifth, and this is fourth, this is fifth. So start counting the digits. So this first segment having two cut points, 2 1 2 3 4 4. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 4, and this is 2. Okay, so result comes this. So you can check it at home by doing in conventional method. Now in all cases, whatever the example I have shown in last two videos, you have seen that cut points are only single digit number. In case some cases if that number of cut points comes double digit, then what we have to do, that I will show with an example. Okay, so let's say it is 42 into 34. So there is again two digits number are being multiplied. So that I will show in Japanese method. So how come this 2 plus 2? So number of segment would be 2 plus 2 minus 1. This is 3. This is the first part. That is very easy to understand. So in the second part, this number I am taking. So first digit is 4. So 4 line will come with a close vicinity to each other, and keeping some distance I will draw another 2 lines. Okay, this part is over. First, the second part is 3 and 4. So again 3 parallel line with the crosswise will come nearer to each other, and keeping some distance I will draw another 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's come to the segment. How will I mark the segment? This is the first segment, this will come in the second segment, this will come in the third segment. Now we start counting. See, in normal cases, when the cut points are single digits, I can count from anywhere, from this side or that side, doesn't matter. Now, because you can see the number of cut points may come in double digits, so then in conventional method of Japanese technique, that has to be counted from the lower end. So if I count here, the number of cut points is 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 was 16, and here it is 16 plus 6. That will come 22. So for 22, I will keep 2 here. I will keep 2 as a carryover to the next digit. So here again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth is 12. So 12 will be there. Now for the final result, I have to add this as I am doing for any other multiplication. So 8, 2, 4 and 1. So this would be the result if I count the cut points. Now let me match with a conventional method. So result comes 1, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 8. So let's see whether it is matching with the conventional method or not. 42, 34. So this comes 2, 6, 2. Oh, sorry. This will be 6. So now if I add 8, 2, 4 and 1, you see the things are matching. Okay, so this will give you some concept for Japanese method, and this carryover can be done in any part. Means if the segments incoming more than 3, let's say 5, so it may happen in any stage of the any part of the segments. So for that also, that carryover will follow the same rule as I am following the in second part. It may come in third part. So for third part, it will carry over to the next digit. So that way it would be just like the normal multiplication methods. Okay, understand? So let me go to the next segment of my class, and today I will show you some more sum and their solution. So the first sum comes, divide 32 in 2 parts such that the sum of reciprocal is 6, 1 by 6. So divide 32 in 2 parts so that the reciprocal is 1 by 6. This is very easy, but for lower classes you can have some idea how to do it. So let's say the numbers be a and b. So a plus b as per the condition is 32. The first for the first equation, so the condition is divide 32 in 2 parts. So 2 parts is a and b, so that those together will give you 32. For the second part, it has to be such that the reciprocal, that means A's reciprocal would be 1 by A and B's reciprocal will be 1 by B. Okay, so that will give you 1 by 6. So if you solve this equation, so you will get value of A. So let me solve for you. So how will you solve that? If I take this equation, the second equation, it would come A plus B. If I sum it together, so AB, that is equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so A plus B gives you AB upon 6. So if I put this in this equation, AB A plus B is equal to AB by 6. If I put this in the first equation, so A by B value is AB upon 6 equal to 32. So AB gives you 6 to the 12, 80, 90, 192. Okay, this is a part, it is required for further calculation. So how will I calculate? So for calculating A and B separately, the first thing has to come in mind if I get something so that where this the one of the part of this A and B having negative signature, then I can eliminate that part and get one part. I can get the value of one part. So how will I do that? So for that I have to get A minus B. That means out of A and B, if I get something in negative, then I can cancel this negative and positive part. I will get some value in respect to A only. So how will I do that? So for as of now, I am having A plus B value and AB value. So I have to get A minus B. So A minus B, if you know, is square gives you A plus B whole square minus 4AB. So I know the value of these things. A 32 square minus 4 into 192. AB value is 92. So 32 is will give you 32 will give you 32 96 9 33 3 is 96. No, 32 into 2, that is 60. 32 into 2 is 64, 6, 30, 96 and 6, 102. So that gives you 1024 minus 4 to the 8, 19, 78, 78. So this will be 78. So this will come 4, 6, 9, 3. This 236, 236. So that means A minus B will be 16. A minus B also is 16 square. Now if I take this up, A minus B is coming 16 square. So that means A minus B as per actual calculation, it should be plus or minus, both can be, because if I do square of 16 plus, that will also come to 36. If I do the minus 16 square, that will also come. So which value we have to take? So if I take A plus B, the earlier was 32, and let's say I am taking plus A minus B. A minus B is equal to 16. So that will give you 2A is equal to 48 and A is equal to 24. This is the 24, and B value I will get accordingly. B will A 24. That means B I will get 8. Yes, you will get. In other way, if I take the minus value, so that is one pair. This is one pair. First I calculated taking A minus B is equal to plus 16. If I take A minus B is minus 16, what will happen? Then in that case, 2A will come 32 minus 16, that will give you 16 again. So A value will come 8. So B value in this case will come reverse. So the earlier pair was A is 24 and B is 8, and this case it will come the reverse. So doesn't matter, because A and B is an arbitrary thing I have taken earlier. So either of this value can be anything. Means A can be 24, B can be 8, and on the opposite also true. So for that case, A minus B can be plus or minus while I am calculating the A minus B value, just for clarity. Okay, so this way you can get the A plus B value. For what? Means if I take A as 8 and B as 24, I take the reverse of that, reciprocal of that, the sum will come 1 by 6. That will comply the requirement of the sum. Okay, so that for now today. Okay, so I will come with more solution later on. Thank you.